Okay, one more thing. I have got to show y'all the Restore. This stuff is life. You can use it before, after, whatever. You can use it in between. It does not make your brushes wet, but you saw these were the brushes that I used. And here I'm just gonna show you how well this stuff works to get it off, right? Look at that. It's white again. Imagine that. All right, here's Buffy. You don't want, that's the Sunlit, that's the June I was using. You don't want your brushes to stay dirty because they'll get bacteria, and you don't want bacteria on your face. So I just spray a little bit of this on here and rub it in. And I use these little white microfiber cloths for everything. All right, look, they're white again, and they're completely dry. You can completely use them on your face, okay? Now, here's the one that I was using for, this is the hack, detail hack that I was using for my contour. There you go. Beautiful. And this I was using for the Frenchie, remember, under my eyes. There we go. Well, and now, y'all, I clean my brushes like almost daily, so this is my eyeshadow everything brush that I used the eyeshadows. I never even used that end, so it's clean. And then here is my multitasker brush. Here's where I put that indigo on, right, for my lip liner. And now it's gone. Beautiful and white at the tip again. All right, and this was my Frenchie. I'm running out. I gotta get some more. Look at that. Look at how much comes off. And then the brushes stay dry. It smells like cotton candy. Y'all, I don't care what brushes you use in, like, well, you should be using Mascara's brushes because they are the best. But here's what I used for my blush. Ugh, I need to spin this around or something. You should be using a brush cleaner such as the Restore because it keeps your brushes clean, fresh. You're not running them underwater and like messing them up or anything. So, okay, now I really am gonna go because I have to go show a house, but love y'all.